What's up, friends? Today, it's different. We're not doing cereal. We're doing Lay's. Check out how puffy this bag is. That is like the most... This thing's gonna burst. We got Salsa Fresca. Limited summer flavor Lay's potato chips. Let's just do it. They smell like ketchup. Those are pretty good. They're not as spicy as I thought they'd be. There's no spice to these at all. Huh. I feel like I can taste a little bit of cilantro and a little bit of lime. And I don't know if that's just because there's a lime on the package here. And it looks like there's cilantro in the salsa on the package. But yeah, it smells like ketchup. There's a little bit of zest. Zesty spice. Barely. I can barely taste any spice at all, but they're pretty flavorful. They kind of remind me of what are they called? These all seasoned chips. I haven't had these in a while, but all seasoned or all dressed. These things. I think Lay's. I want to say Lay's makes some of them. Yeah. Kind of reminds me of those, if I remember those correctly. Pretty good. Pretty good. They don't really taste like salsa. Maybe a little bit. I don't know, it's hard to... That one tasted more like salsa. Kind of like the juice of the salsa, not the actual tomatoey pasty stuff. But yeah, not as zesty or not as spicy as I thought they'd be. Comparing them to let's see, who makes them? Ooh, that one was more spicy. That chip that I just ate. The Garden Salsa Sun Chips. They really don't taste anything like that. Both are good. Yeah, they don't really taste like anything. Maybe a little bit. Maybe a little bit. I'd buy these again. I'd totally buy these again. These are good. Anyway. Let me know in the comments what other food items you want me to try. We'll see ya. Bye.